Dear students, now the important topic is what is the properties of ionic compound. What is the properties of ionic compound? It has a four main part: how it physically, how it is, what is the melting point and boiling point, and solubility, and how the electricity conduction happens in ionic or a electrovalent compound. Keep again, I repeat two words: ionic or electrovalent compound. What type of ionic compound? What is the definition of ionic compound? Yes, you are right. The definition is the compound which form through the transfer of electron, like NaCl, one electron from Na to Cl receive it. Same way magnesium Cl2, two electron chlorine receive from the magnesium. These are the known as ionic compound or electrovalent compound, and they have a chemical property like this. Understand, first of all, physical property. They are, all of you know now, they are combined with the electron, means their attraction force among them is very high. Attraction force is very high, and therefore they have a strong bond. Two things keep in mind: they have a strong attraction and therefore they have a strong bond. Strong bond, and due to that they are automatically become strong. But the one thing is that they are brittle, means whenever the pressure applied, they can be cut, they can be converted into small pieces. So physically they are strong, but when pressure is applied, ionic compound can be converted into small pieces. Now, as just now I mentioned, they have a high attraction force. They have a high attraction force and strong bonding. Therefore, to melt them is very, very high level energy required, and therefore we can tell their melting point and boiling point is high. So electrovalent or ionic compound having high melting and boiling point. Same way, how much they are soluble, that is the another most important thing. So in that they all are soluble in water. They all are soluble in water, but they are insoluble in another solvent, like kerosene, petrol. They are soluble in water, but they are insoluble in kerosene and petrol, like another solvent also. Now the last thing, conduction of electricity. We just now mentioned they are strong, and most probably they are formed in a solid form. Therefore, in solid form, to pass the electricity, due to their rigidity, in strongness of attraction and strong bond among the electrons, it is not possible. And but if they convert into molten state, electricity can be passed through ionic compound. In molten state, electricity can be passed, because in molten state, all of you know cation and anion. As just before video we have discussed cation and anion, they produce and therefore they combine, and they can release the electricity, they can pass the electricity. So in solid state, ionic compound does not allow electricity, but in molten state, ionic compound is allow electricity to pass. So these are the thing about ionic compound property. Keep in mind. Thank you.